In Chapter 4, we learn how important language is to us to communicate events. Language is the way we create and share meaning with others. The element of language was explained as sounds, words, grammar, and meaning. The author explained how language can create barriers to effective communication by having their language misunderstood and creating chaos. The impact that technology has on language usage is creating a faster means of communication. For example, social media websites that allow us to speak with our friends and family anywhere in the world. The information presented in Chapter 5 was concerning nonverbal communication cues within a verbal communication dialogue. Some of the following nonverbal communication indicators within a verbal dialogue are tone of voice, facial expressions, and posture. The message a person sends may not be always clear or what is intended when nonverbal cues are given. A couple of the most common functions of nonverbal communication will give life to our interactions, such as compliments concerning what is being said, and repeats verbal behavior. Finally, Chapter 6 is effective listening, which is explored in this chapter and is a requirement in all aspects of our life. The listening process is composed of some related aspects: remembering, intention and focus, listening, thinking, connections, and information processing. This concludes video summary 4, 5, and 6.